This is Kirk Lynch, and just want to take a few minutes here to have a brief discussion about a topic, the chart of accounts. And so every business will have a unique list of accounts that they use to record transactions. And they'll be unique to every business out there. For your purposes, your textbooks, sometimes they give you a chart of accounts when it's relevant. Sometimes they just make assumptions that based on the experience that you've had in recording transactions that you can ascertain the chart of accounts or the necessary accounts to record transactions. Another thing that's helpful is when you're completing automated assignments, drop-down boxes provide you with account names, and so you should be able to ascertain what accounts are the ones you need to complete a particular transaction. The chart of accounts get categorized much like our accounting equation. We have assets, liabilities, we have the equity accounts that include the capital and drawing accounts, we have revenue, and we have expense accounts. And the way that the chart of accounts works is the account names also get numbers assigned to them. And so when we are categorizing our accounts, our assets, all of those accounts such as cash and accounts receivable and equipment and supplies and all that stuff, their account numbers all start with the number 1. Our liability accounts such as accounts payable, notes payable, wages payable, unearned rent, those liability account names all start with the number 2. The equity accounts, which include the owner's capital and the owner's drawing account for a proprietorship, start with the number 3. Revenue accounts, such as fees earned, sales, commissions, they all start with the number 4. And our expense accounts, like wages expense, rent expense, etc., all start with the number 5. Now, you can have a 2-digit numbering scheme, which we have examples here. A 3-digit numbering scheme here would be examples of account names for a 3-digit numbering scheme. A 4-digit numbering scheme. Some large businesses, their account numbers go up to 10 or 15 digits. But for our purposes, for the most part, we're going to deal with a 2-digit numbering scheme. And so I've listed some sample accounts here. You can see that I have 3 asset accounts listed: cash, accounts receivable, and supplies. And if they were 2-digit numbering account names, that'd be account number 11, 12, 13. If we went to 3, these are random, but 110 would be an example for cash, 111 would be accounts receivable, 113 for supplies, and then a 4-digit scheme examples would be here. Then we move into a couple liability accounts, accounts payable and wages payable. See, they start with the number 2. Our capital and drawing accounts start with the number 3. Our revenue account starts with the number 4, and our expense accounts start with the number 5. So we have 51, 52, and we would go down through 59 in this case. If we had a miscellaneous expense listed here, it would be 59, because remember, our rules for the income statement are miscellaneous expenses always get listed last. And so our account numbers tend to correlate with our largest expense, which in this case might be wages, and then rent. And we would list our expenses in that order based on our experience. And so I hope this has been helpful in understanding the chart of accounts, and we'll talk to you again.